Meet the next generation of computer programmers. Zach, Elise and Barney. They can design anything for you, from apps to websites, all thanks to a piece of code which they write themselves.
When I write a piece of code, I think it's quite exciting to see what it does and in what ways it breaks. But it's really sort of quite exciting to imagine that you've made this to do that.
I was looking around on Google and I couldn't find like an episodes list anywhere, or just a website based on trying to find out stuff about Jeeves and Wooster, so I thought I'd make one.
I am very good at web design, that's what I like doing, and it was £60,000 per year on the job centre.
They've come to one of several nationwide events that teaches under 18s how to code. The idea came about after industry experts felt schools didn't cover it thoroughly enough in the curriculum, and they see it as an essential life skill.
Understanding the digital world is absolutely paramount to this generation and the next generation, and even to our generation really, because at the moment, you know, most of us are mucking around in a digital space that we just don't understand. So if you just pick up the basics of programming, you understand that Google is an algorithm that was written by a person, it's not magic.
From September next year, computer science will be taught from the age of 5 and included in the English baccalaureate, but there are still concerns it's not enough.
We used to have superstars, particularly in the gaming industry, but superstar coders in this country, and I think we've fallen behind with that because the kids aren't being exposed to coding, and if we're not careful as a country, we will fall behind being key players in those markets.
I think it's best to put that piece of code up there.
Okay. And I think it might be best if you move that line up there a bit.
No, don't touch that, you'll break it.
These guys are trying to teach me how to use programs called Scratch, Python and HTML, which for me is a bit like trying to learn French, Spanish and German all in one afternoon. But for this lot, it's second nature.
I think it's now quite cool to be able to use these things to do what you want them to do.
I think part of the reason is because it's so logical. For example, if you tell it to do something and it doesn't do it, it's not because it doesn't like you or anything like that, it's just because you've told it wrong.
It's hoped the change in curriculum and events like these will reboot the interest in computing skills. And for Zach, it seems, the sky's the limit.
Why I want to be a scientist and a programmer is because event stuff, like a teleporter, and it would have a little thing on where you type in like "let's go", so that would need programming too.
Sophie Van Brugen, BBC News.